Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun in a sentence. For example, my father built this calculator himself. I built my house myself. Peter has lost his cat. Here, in these examples, himself, myself, and his are pronouns. Let's have a look at the most commonly used pronouns in English. All, another, any, anybody, anyone, anything, as, ought, both, each other, either, enough, everybody, everyone, everything, few, he, her, hers, herself, him, himself, his, idem, it, its, itself, many, me, mine, most, my, myself, not, neither, no one, nobody, none, nothing, one another, other, others, ought, our, ours, ourself, ourselves, several, she, some, somebody, someone, something, somewhat, such like, that, the, their, theirs, theirselves, them, themselves, themselves, their, these, they, thine, this, those, thou, thy, thyself, us, we, what, whatever, whatnot, whatsoever, whence, where, whereby, wherefrom, wherein, whereinto, whereon, wherever, wheresoever, whereto, whereunto, wherewith, wherewithal, whether, which, whichever, whichsoever, who, whoever, whom, whomever, whomsoever, whose, whosever, whosoever, whoso, whosoever, yet, yon, yonder, you, your, yours, yourself, yourselves,